This how much I love fishing. This how much I love fishing. This is kind of crazy, but that's how much I love it. Got the duck sitting over there in the rain. Turn on night vision or something? Y'all see the ducks. I think they took my worm, but I'm scared to go over there. It's raining like shit. So sit back, get your snack, get your popcorn, and I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I've enjoyed making it. I have got wet. I had some great times out here by the water by myself, and I encourage anybody to get out there and go fishing. Oh shit. Oh, I got away. The next time I make a long video like this, I'm going to be sure that got some. I'm going to make sure that I do all the talking while I'm recording the video, because going back thinking I'm going to talk to y'all while I rewatch it all over again isn't very helpful. So, hope y'all enjoyed this video. Just look at all the fish I bring out to the port. Yes, they do be biting in the rain. Yes, they do bite in the rain. Ooh. There we go. Yeah. I gotta figure this shit out. seen that fish I caught. Yeah, it's a little fishy front of the food. Oh shit, I'm sorry. I try to go with the flow of the hook. Oh, no. Okay. Did you get away? This is where the shell stuffing in puddles. Oh no, I still got him. Oh, I still got him. Night fishing, y'all, in the rain. Still night in the rain fishing. These little motherfuckers biting. It's the Lure Jones. Ooh. The friable catfish, yep. They biting tonight. Back to back. Woo. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and sit that down. Throw the other rod out. I gotta wait. That's why I bring 3 rods. Everybody be like, why you got 3 rods? Because I swap them out like this. I swap them out like this. Oh shit. That didn't go accordingly. Little baby fish was on the line this whole time. Oh, that's 3. Hopefully y'all didn't miss that footage because I don't know what happened to the camera. I'm trying to throw my rods back out. Fish keep, hold on. I guess that's a good thing, right? Let me see. This one still has some line on it, so I'm gonna really throw it like this. Until you get this other fish situation. There's puddles everywhere. Alright. Bear with me. Take me a break. Shit, I need something. Got cat and mouth over this motherfucking fish, caught me off guard. I guess that's what night fishing in the rain be like, cause I ain't expecting him to hit me like that. Where that good go? Oh, I threw it. I threw it when I was trying to. Oh. Only got one dry good left. I don't like losing wet good. It's don't go to shit. So add it to the other one. Whatever that is. Fucking rat. Oh, I caught some on all 3 rods tonight. That's the thing. Oh, I think I got another one. Oh, I think I got another one, y'all. Is it striking? No. False alarm. I'm ready to throw this other rod out, but I thought I just had something. It was eating it though. It was eating it. They is biting. This one feel like it got a fish on it this whole time. Rain about to pick back up. Oh, this got a snail. I hate when it got that on my line. Let me get that off before the rain get heavy. Damn, where I picked them flies. I don't see them. Stepped in another puddle. I need to get my rain boots out the car. Why I got rain boots and don't run? Like, shit is weird. Who has rain boots that don't run when it's raining? Well, I forgot I gotta zoom out for y'all. I'm sorry. I'm the worst. It's raining. Oh, I didn't zoom out because it was dark. Alright, rain picking up. Let me grab my umbrella. For that be wet. They come out the ocean too. I've been pulling them out the Potomac. I hate when they get on my line, but it's nothing fun to catch. Some people use them as bait. I just want them to get off, and there ain't no other way to get them off because it's being stubborn. But you get them. So throw it back in the water. Sometimes I run, but sometimes and that's that. Oh man, I didn't even press record. So sick. Third catfish, pants high. Just came out the water. I'm so mad. Throw this one out first. There's a lot going on. I need to get my glove out in my pocket. Oh, got another one. This one might have got it. Wait up. No, it didn't. Pulled the shit out of it. Oh, there's another one on that one. Oh, this is fighting. Hand size. Ooh-wee. Yep. Y'all seen it here. Little pan size jump. This one gonna strike too? Shit. I'll tell y'all. About to feed the ducks at this point. Look at them ducks all over. That rain not about to come. Hold on, rain. Hold up. I don't want the wind to break nothing, but hold up. Let me get my stuff together, y'all. It's a lot of fish in the rain. Once the fish start coming, you get excited. I see you get excited. Hold up. Fish ain't going nowhere. That's probably how y'all feel when I'm out here in the rain. I probably like the fish ain't going nowhere. Come on, baby, it's not. Put this in the bucket for it hop back in the water. Come on, open your mouth. Open. Open your mouth. Open this. You're doing too much. Like, chill. I got a little aquarium in there, y'all. Little fry jump. Little fish fry jump. The rain might be gone because the ducks just got out in the water. Oh, I took a good ball. I need to put worms on the hook. Let me try it out. I don't know which rod I want to use, huh? All of them hitting. Night fishing. What's that, Tom? I could have put one on the other one too, but I didn't. Yes. Alright, let's try this again, y'all. See if we can go back to back again. I swear it was. Oh, wait, there go one. That one might be going off. Let me make sure this rod's secure. That one look like it want to do something. Here, oh, it is doing something. It is doing something, y'all. Oh, probably took the bait. Hey, what is this, night vision or something? This is a wild model. I don't know what's going on with my camera, y'all. I'm trying to find me a nice cameraman, but everybody like, oh, shit. Shit. Did it take it? It just pulled it real bad, y'all. Oh. Still a little worm in this one, but I like to have my worm all on the hook. I wish y'all could see me tonight, but I'm wearing my phone on my chest. I'm sorry, I'm not good at these angles and stuff. Let me look at the phone while I do my work, not at the hook. So I can make sure y'all see what I'm doing. Besides being aware of everything else. Oh, got a fish. Get to them. Gotta get to the motherfucking rods, boy. In the rain. Oh, it took the worm on this one too, y'all. That's unfortunate. Oh, it didn't take the worm, it just let go. They letting go tonight. They said, hold up, 4 buddies ain't come back. They biting and they letting go. Alright. Which one y'all think gonna hit next? That black one or that white one? Which one y'all think gonna hit next? That's that duck. These lumpy ducks is a little too far to be the duck. Oh, got a fish. Oh, got a fish, y'all. Hold up. Let me tighten up the drag. Stop playing so much. Hope I don't lose it because I got a J in my mouth. Ooh. Fat Jones surprise. That's a good 30-pound mono line, man. That good 30-pound line. He all tangled up and shit. Look at him. Look at him. He all tangled up. Looking crazy. Let me finish hitting this real quick. Goodness. What was you doing all the way down there? I knew you was there. Wow, that one's pretty big. Pretty big fish. Off the worm. Number 5. I'm gonna throw this one out. Okay, yeah, get the 5 in. He retarded. Get the acting stupid. Get the acting crazy. Y'all crazy after the storm. Hey, hold up. You already lost the fight. You already lost the fight. You might as well chill. 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 You might as well chi this. What the fuck is wrong with this hook? Goodness. What the fuck was this little hook? That one gave me a fight. I'm sure it is. Let me line my shit up. My one. Ooh. Really gave me a hard time. Y'all think I'm about to reline that? Nope. I had to put a worm right on it. Told y'all I'm fishing till the 18 worms is gone. See how many fish we can catch. Yeah. That one got me tired. Why the hell would the hook ever be like that? Keep sliding. He ain't trying to get these. He knows it. It's real hard when the worm's wet. Food for thought. Trying to worm your hook and it's wet. Shit's hard. Oh, got a fish. Got a fish. Y'all heard it. Y'all heard it here first. Oh yeah, no. You get away? Nope. It's there. I think it's a small one. Oh, pretty good size. Pretty good size. What was I doing? Oh yeah. Worm. Yeah. That number 6. Number 6 in the rain. All catfish though, they hitting. Go ahead and throw this rod out while I handle that fish. Nice little cast out. This one was fighting too, but You ready? And put the fish in the bucket. And then we can take a break. And then asshole. Oh, I got a fish. Fuck you. I got a fish. Keep playing with your ass. Oh, this one, this fish. There's a fish right here. Right on the one I just threw in the water. He was trying to get away too. He look little. Feels little. Hand size jump. Sit back to back. Back to back. We get him back to back. Oh shit, almost flashed his breath. Oh. There's fish land everywhere. Y'all know what time it is. Take this rod. Throw it in the water. That other one probably don't got no worm if it ain't hit yet. Stop playing with y'all like I'm there. I haven't caught all y'all. Now I need a handle it. Oh, you still looking feisty. But I'm trying to get you in here with the other guys. You're being weird too. The bucket is full, y'all. I'm going to what you gonna do? Flop in. I got bigger fish to fry. Literally. Where does worm think you going? One of your buddies put you up to that? This one's barely holding on. Oh, more fish, more fish, more fish. Oh. Get there. Oh, no. Oh. Back. All these fish, y'all. This rod still got a worm on it. Throw it out. I'm pretty busy right now. It's real busy right now, y'all. Right after the rain. fish everywhere. Alright, is it just them two? I think so. Oh shit. Come on, baby. Bucket is full. Bucket can't take no more fish. Got my last two worms in the water. This one probably about gone. That one over there just dropped again. About packed up all my stuff. Extra water broke down. I count how many fish I got when I get to the cooler. But I got a lot of for 18 worms. It's a good night. Free fish, free eating, and a free shower. You can't beat it. If I do that one more time, I believe it's a fish one. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm coming. If you like this video, remember to like, share, and subscribe. I love my fishing trips, y'all. And let me know where you want me to go fish at, what you want to see me doing while I'm out here fishing next, okay? I got bait casters and all. Just let me know what y'all want, alright? And by the end of the night, I did come up on 8 fish. Yeah, everything in the 8 fishes.